Hi, I'm going to show you how to record a video of Google Jamboard. So here I have my Chrome browser open with a tab with the Google Jamboard website. Now Google Jamboard also comes in an app variant. The app can be installed in iOS, Android, as well as on Chromebooks. But here I have a MacBook computer and I'm going to be using the Google Jamboard website. So I've already made a frame on Google Jamboard. So Google Jamboard, as you know, lets you do handwriting. It lets you use images, text, post-it notes, all of this in a really easy to use interface. And in order to create lesson content, teachers can actually record videos of them using Google Jamboard, and which is what I'm going to show you today. To make the video, I'm using the Outclip Chrome extension. So I already have it installed, and this is the icon that I click. And let's say I want to make a video. There are three modes of recording. You've got desktop recording, browser tab, and camera only. I'm going to choose browser tab because all I want to do is record a single browser tab, nothing else on my desktop. And I want to record it with microphone because I want to narrate as I'm working through the Jamboard. I want to turn off tab audio because there's no sound coming out of the Google Jamboard tab. And I want to record camera so that I'm seen in one corner. I can position the camera anywhere I want on the Jamboard. And I click record. So after the countdown, everything now is going to be present in the video. And if you like, you can even minimize this control panel. In order to do handwriting on this website, I'm using a Wacom stylus, which looks like this. And it comes with the stylus. This is a writing pad as well as stylus. And this lets you write on computers. So here I'm going to, I've selected the pen tool, so I can underline, and I can even write. So you can make a video like this for your lesson, and then you can, once you stop recording, you'll be able to share the video. So now we're done recording. I'm going to hit stop by clicking the Chrome extension icon. It takes a few seconds to finish uploading the video, and once it's done, you'll be able to watch the video on outclip.com. And the same video can be then shared with your students. They could basically watch it at their convenience, and ideally you should be able to kind of pair your recorded videos along with live meetings, so you have a much more productive live meeting when you do have one. So this is the video webpage, and it's got a title, it's got a link, and you can copy the link, and this is what you share with other people. So I'm going to quickly review the video we just made. So this is how it's going to appear. Be in the present video, and if you like, you can even minimize. Yeah, so this is the Google Jamboard video we just made, and I hope you find this useful. Thanks.